Let's assume you think it's crazy that there is a guy in his garage talking to you about Turkish Delights. Let me tell you why. Because these were provided to us. I am Doug from Doug and Nikki. Nikki and I travel all over the world. We have been to Turkey, maybe the most of any place we've been there. I really do think it's 4 times. I should have counted before I shot this video, but we go to Turkey a lot. I love Turkey in particular because I love the food. The people are amazing, but the food is just like crazy amazing. I love it, and this came to do this review, and I stole it. Nikki doesn't know it's here yet. We both love Turkish Delights, and I saw it, and I'm like, I need to taste these and talk to the people about them. So let's check them out, talk about them. I'm gonna answer the 3 most common questions that I've gotten from people about my travels to Turkey and about Turkish food. I'm gonna answer those for you right now. In particular, in terms of Turkish Delights, I get 2 questions. I'm gonna add in a third, right? The first one is, what do they taste like? The second one is, are they too sweet? And the third one, which I'm gonna tell you at the end, I'll bring it to you at the end. First, let's open it up, take a look at it. It is a beautiful gift box with the balloons of Cappadocia. We haven't done that yet. That's like the one thing we haven't done yet in Turkey. Let's take a look in here. Oh, look at this selection of flavors. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, what flavor should I start with? I think I'm gonna go with the red one, right? Let's try a red one. Now, one of the mistakes that I'm making doing this on video is they can be a little powdery, so I'm probably gonna have powder on my beard when I get done and look stupid. Oh! I know I'm not supposed to steal from my wife, but I'm so happy I did. These are delicious. They taste amazing. That red has this great like fruity taste to it. It has this cool feel. I love the chew of them. They have a great solid chew at the same time. You're eating candy, but it's like a good chew, and you can't go wrong with powdered sugar on top of them. So you're waiting for that third thing. I know you've been here long enough that you have subscribed, you've liked the video, you're gonna comment below where our favorite place to have gone in Turkey is, and maybe you've gone to the Doug and Nikki YouTube channel and seen some of our videos in Turkey. I hope you didn't do that because I want you to hear what my third thing is. So my third thing, here's my third thing. This is a phenomenal gift, okay? That was the third question. I made it up, not researched that much, but if you're looking for a gift for anybody who enjoys sweets, enjoys something out of the ordinary here in the US, UK, wherever you are, these are amazing. You cannot go wrong. They ship well. These obviously have been shipped to me. Let me show you one more time. The gift box arrived in perfect condition. There they are with the one missing, about to have many more missing. I hope this was helpful. I've enjoyed doing it. We will see you next time.